Evolution of the Color Shine Effect. Alpha Path Milano Professional's Ammonia and MEA-free permanent color. The evolution of the Color Shine Effect formula features selected dyes to provide a natural-looking, shiny color result that enhances the tone. Color lamination technology is a patented technology in evolution of the Color Shine Effect. This innovative technology is a combination of an alkalizer and a moisturizing oil designed to preserve the cosmeticity of the hair during the color process. MEA, the alkalizer selected for the formulation of this product, opens the hair's cuticles to allow the penetration of color pigments. Compared to other alkalizing agents, MEA limits damage to the cuticle structure, helping provide greater cosmeticity and shine. In addition, the moisturizing oil not only facilitates the dispersion of pigments in the formula, but also helps make the hair extremely shiny. To protect the hair, evolution of the Color Shine Effect contains AZ bond, an active ingredient consisting of a glycine derivative that can penetrate the damaged hair fiber, helping to restore density in the hair. In addition, evolution of the Color Shine Effect combines the exclusive technologies of evolution of the color and semi-delino lines to provide complete color protection. The active ingredients Blue Light Protection, Anti-Pollution and UV Protection System help protect the hair from damage caused by blue light, pollution and UV rays. The patented Color Guard technology enables even distribution and better color deposit, prolonging color longevity. Finally, hyaluronic acid forms a cage-like net around the hair, which promotes optimal distribution of the mixture and ensures maximum adherence. For amazing color services, gray coverage with a natural look that minimizes the regrowth, lightens up to 3 levels, bright color result that enhances the tone, creamy texture, easy to rinse and easy stain removal. Evolution of the Color Shine Effect is mixed in a 1:1 ratio with Oxido Activator. If the objective is grey coverage, mix half of a coverage series shade with half of the chosen fashion series shade. Exceptions to this rule are coppers, reds and pure reds. For natural-looking grey coverage, mix 1 part of the coverage series shade with 2 parts of the copper or red shade. For a vibrant grey coverage result, use the Fashion Series shade alone. The processing time is 35 minutes for all mixes. To refresh and/or brighten colour on lengths and ends, mix a Fashion Series shade of Evolution of the Color Shine Effect with 10 volume Oxido in a 1:1 ratio, processing for 20 to 25 minutes. Evolution of the Color Shine Effect can be mixed with pigments for endless and customized color results. Lab tests showed that after the application of evolution of the Color Shine Effect, the hair looks brighter and more cosmetic, is more resistant to breakage, is more combable, shows greater integrity, keeps the color for longer, is protected during the color service due by the filming action that preserves its structure.